Today we shall discuss about a chapter. Its name is A Letter to God. The protagonists of these chapters are Lancho, a farmer. He is a hard-working farmer and works like a ox in his fields. The second one is the postman, and the third one is postmaster, who is a kind and friendly person. Actually, after reading this chapter, we will come to know how do a person behave at the time of different situations. If we have any kind of expectations and if we are unable to fulfill them, at that time we behave with lot of anger and we forget everything whatever we have got. Second, if in your life you want to do any kind of charity, the first and the last fundamental thing of this is that you should do charity and forget. As we know, in Hindi we also say neki kar aur darya mein dal. In this chapter there is a farmer. His name is Lancho. He lives in a solitary valley on a crest of a hill. He works in his field like an ox, and this year he is also going to get a good harvest. All of a sudden he saw towards the sky and he says to his wife, "Lady, if we get a little shower, that will be very much beneficial for our crops." In no time it started raining, but soon it converted into hailstone, and that hailstone that is what to do if he would not get the crops this year. He as well as his family is going to die. He or his family will suffer starvation. But he had a faith in God and he decided to write a letter to God. In that letter he stated, "God, I had a need of 100 pesos. Pesos is the name of the currency of Sweden. Actually, this story has based in Sweden. And he posted that letter. After that, a postman received that letter and he started laughing because in his entire career he didn't see any kind of address which belonged to God. He took that letter to the postmaster and the postmaster read it immediately, and he was surprised to see such a great faith a person had in God. In order to maintain his faith, he himself imparted half of his salary and he also collected money from his employees on the name of charity. But he could collect only 70 pesos. He could not collect entire money. He himself was watching behind the window, and Lancho came, and he was not surprised to see the money because it was his faith that God is going to give him help. When he counted money, he became so angry. And you know what did he say? What did he do? He again wrote a letter, and in that letter he stated, "God, I had a need of 30 more pesos. I know that you had sent entire money, but the post office employees are a bunch of crooks and they have robbed my money. I want remaining money, but don't send this money this time through the post office." So now after this story teaches us that if we have decided to help someone, so we should not think that we will get positive attitude from the person to whom we are helping. Sometime or most of the time we get negativeness from the person to whom we help.